Meaning of field marshal.
Field marshal.
Field marshal.
Field marshal.
Field marshal. Field marshal is a military rank that dates back to the 16th century. It is the highest rank in the British Army and is only awarded in times of war. Those who hold this rank have demonstrated exceptional leadership skills and strategic thinking abilities on the battlefield. They are responsible for managing and directing large-scale military operations and may also have significant administrative responsibilities. The field marshal is a highly respected and prestigious position, reserved for only the most outstanding military leaders in history.